How to retry after exception. I have a loop starting with for I in range 0, 100. Normally it runs correctly, but sometimes it fails due to network conditions. Currently I have it set so that on failure, it will continue in the except clause, continue on to the next number for I. Is it possible for me to reassign the same number to I and run through the failed iteration of the loop again?
Do a while true inside your for loop, put your try code inside, and break from that while loop only when your code succeeds.
I prefer to limit the number of retries, so that if there's a problem with that specific item, you will eventually continue on to the next one, thus.
Update December 1st, 2021. As of June 2016, the retrying package is no longer being maintained. Consider using the active fork github.com/jd/tenacity, or alternatively github.com/little/backoff. The retrying package is a nice way to retry a block of code on failure. For example,
here's a solution similar to others, but it will raise the exception if it doesn't succeed in the prescribed number or retries.
Alternatives to retrying, tenacity and backoff, 2020 update. The retrying library was previously the way to go, but sadly it has some bugs and it hasn't got any updates since 2016. Other alternatives seem to be backoff and tenacity. During the time of writing this, the tenacity had more GitHub stars, 2.3k versus 1.2k, and was updated more recently, hence I chose to use it. Here is an example. The above code outputs something like: more settings for the tenacity. Retry are listed on the tenacity GitHub page.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.